everyone, welcome back. So it's been a while since I came on camera, and that's the most difficult part for me. I think it was in our last couple video that we came, and I'm here back again to thank you all for the support, for the love, for the appreciation that you gave me after I posted my last video. That's the ad shoot, and thank you so much for that. And it really means a lot. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. Now today's video is a bit boring. That's a recipe video. I had taken this video quite some time back, around maybe 4 or 5 months back, and I actually forgot that I had taken this video. So I'm posting it now. It's a vegetarian dish, and I know there are a lot of vegetarians who watch my videos, and thank you so much to them. I do a lot of non-veg dishes. In spite of that, they keep telling me that they love to watch my channel, and thank you so much for that. So this video is especially for you and for others too. Do try this. It's a simple recipe. I shall add more vegetarian dishes in my coming videos, definitely. Today is just soya bean and paneer. Now these dishes I had made during lunch time. So to go along with the dishes, I had made rice, which is really very simple. That also I have shown in the video. But those are very simple. Just to get rid of the boring ghee rice, I added little ingredients that would enhance the flavor. So if you wish, you could try that too. But do definitely try the chili soya bean and the paneer dish. It's really tasty. So keep watching.
So beginning with chili soya bean, and these are the soya bean chunks. I have taken 4 cups. Add enough hot water to it. Cover and let it soak for some time. Meanwhile, chopping up the ingredients needed: 4 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, 1 capsicum. Now I didn't have tomato paste with me, so I'm using 2 tomatoes instead. Then chili sauce and soy sauce. Just crushing the ginger, garlic and green chilies in my mortar and pestle. You can grind in your grinder. Chopping 1 large onion in medium-sized pieces. Chopping 1 capsicum. The soybean wasn't soft yet, so I'm preparing the rice meantime. I grated a small piece of ginger, chopped 3 to 4 garlic cloves, then 3 to 4 green chilies and few coriander leaves. Now this is a simple rice dish. If you need, you can skip to the soybean preparation, just showing whoever would like to try it out. Into a pressure cooker, adding a big spoon of ghee. To that, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then add the grated ginger, chopped garlic and chopped green chilies. Saute till the raw smell goes. I'm adding a handful of chopped onion that I had chopped for the soybean. Adding a glug of water so that water was stuck at the bottom would come off. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, or just a pinch, it's for a color. Then some chopped coriander leaves. Mix for 2 minutes. Adding 2.5 cups of washed and drained basmati rice. Just roast the rice for 3 to 4 minutes and add hot water, double the amount of rice, reducing 1 cup. So here I took 4 cups of water. Add salt and mix. Adding 1 dried lemon. If you don't have it, just skip it. When it comes to a complete boil, close the lid. Cook in medium to high flame. After the first whistle, reduce to very low and cook for 5 minutes. Open the lid only after the steam is completely gone. The soybean is ready now. Squeeze the water completely from it. Now add it into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, some salt and mix. Now into a heated kadai, add any vegetable oil. Then fry the soybean. When it turns to a brown color, take it out. Now to the same vessel, adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add the crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute till it's brown in color. Then add the chopped onion and capsicum. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add some salt. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 or 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce and mix well for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the fried soybeans and mix well. Add some hot water around 1/4 cup and mix. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Instead of coriander leaves, you can add spring onions too. Cover for few minutes and then it's ready to serve. Next is creamy paneer curry. For this, take around 2 cups of paneer cubes. I have chopped a small piece of ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and 3 to 4 green chilies. If you want, you can crush or grind them. It's up to you. Chopping 1 large onion into small pieces. Then chopping 2 medium-sized tomatoes and keep aside. Then into a blender, add 2 big spoons of curd, then 1/4 to 1/2 cup of fresh cream. Add some cashews around 10 to 12 and blend till it becomes a creamy sauce. Then to a heated kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. To that add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon stick. Just a mix, then add the chopped onion and saute till soft. Then add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then add the tomatoes. Add some salt and mix. Cover and let it cook in low flame. Moving on to the rice, I am taking 1½ cup of basmati rice. Wash and drain. You will have to chop 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and 1 onion. Give a mix to the tomatoes in between. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half to 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix for 3 to 4 minutes. Then take it off and let it cool down. Moving on to the rice preparation, heat a vessel, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee, then add all the vegetables, that's the onion, carrot and capsicum. Cook for few minutes or till the onion is soft. Adding 2 cups of thin coconut milk and 1 cup water. Add salt. Then slit in 2 or 3 green chilies. Add the basmati rice. Cover and cook in medium-high flame. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame to very low and cook the rice till no water remains. Meanwhile, blend the onion and tomato mixture. Add it back to the kadai. Add some water to the blender and add it to the kadai. Then add the creamy mixture and give a mix. Keep it back onto the heat. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Crush it between your palms and add to the gravy. Then add the paneer cubes. Mix everything without breaking the paneer cubes. Check salt and add if needed. Let it boil. Meantime, the water from the rice is absorbed completely. Just give a mix to the rice and keep it covered until served. The paneer curry is boiling. Off the flame and it's ready to be served. Now these are simple lunch recipes that could be served for your family, so do try these and enjoy your lunch together.
Came on camera and what is this? And now to tell about this recipe, chili. Definitely try the chili paneer. No, sorry. Now much. Oof.